everyone, a warm welcome to all. Today it's about Jupiter's 9 months long transit to its own Punarvasu Nakshatra from August 2025 till May 2026. Jupiter in Punarvasu makes a powerful return of hope, faith, and renewal somewhere in our life. After the turbulence of Adra Nakshatra, this transit brings gentle restoration of balance, guiding us back to what is simple, essential, and true in our life. Punarvasu, ruled by the goddess Aditi, is the light that returns after every storm, the reassurance that life regenerates itself when given time and care. See, here Jupiter's expansive wisdom blends with Punarvasu's nurturing grace. It is encouraging us to rebuild our lives with patience and confidence. This is the time when optimism reawakens, wounds begin to heal, and the seeds of long term blessings take solid root, both personally and collectively. Punarvasu's name means return of light, renewal. Its symbol arrows speaks of multiple attempts, repeated attempts, resilience, and the ability to begin again without losing any hope. Just as the archer draws, aims, and releases again, life under Punarvasu often unfolds its cycles of efforts, pause, and renewal. This nakshatra carries the energy of rain after drought, the homecoming after a long journey. But it won't be a sudden change. It's a fertile ground for slow, steady progress with deep inner peace also. Its energy is restorative rather than forcefully progressive. It's about reclaiming what is lost, what was lost, rather than conquering something entirely new. In Punarvasu, the blessings Jupiter brings is wisdom, optimism, and opportunities to regain. And this emerges in phases, a step forward, a pause period, and then again a step forward. It encourages patience, faith, and persistence. Rushing can break the rhythm, while trusting the waves ensures some sustainable growth. As the ruler of wisdom, expansion, and higher vision, Jupiter finds harmonious flow in Punarvasu. Faith returns here in areas where we had doubts earlier. We can rebuild our resources, both material and emotional reserves go stronger with time. A focus on healing, restoring our relationships, also rebuilding our foundation, whether in family, work, or within our network. This is the perfect time to forgive and reconnect. Expect clarity of purpose. After confusion or any disappointment, giving sustainable growth, progress that lasts because now it is built slowly and gradually. This is the time to replant our dreams, nourish our inner world, and make some right choices. Opportunities to travel or return to some past places, sometimes to reclaim something very valuable that was left behind earlier. Secondly, the impact of Jupiter's transit varies significantly based on its position within the different Navamshas. While transiting Gemini, Jupiter will move through the Navamsha of Aries, Taurus, and Gemini, each bringing different focus. In August, Jupiter's transit through Aries Navamsha will create a strong impulse to initiate new projects, to start something here. In September, the focus will shift as Jupiter enters Taurus Navamsha, encouraging the stabilization of finances and securing our resources. In Gemini Navamsha, which will be Vargottam, can bring out the best results of Jupiter in Gemini sign, with emphasis on great ideas, networking, and some wise, polished communication. In October, Jupiter will be exalted and Vargottam in Cancer Navamsha, making its influence exceptionally strong, pure, and auspicious. This Jupiter will be retrograde from November, and this is the best time for introspection, reflection, revisiting our plans, and securing gains here. From March 2026, direct Jupiter will be reactivating our intellectual pursuits, communication, and teaching, offering us some fresh start in mental and communicative areas. Once again, highlighting material stability before returning to Gemini Navamsha to reinforce our knowledge sharing and skill building here. See, Jupiter in Punarvasu offers the gift of renewal, but in its own time and rhythm. This is the time of tides, not tsunamis, of some gentle planting and not some instant harvest. While blessings are certain here, they arrive in calculated phases. By aligning with this pace of Jupiter, we can avoid the frustration of rushing against the current. Let's explore individually for each sign what we can expect out of this transit. And check Gemini, Cancer. These two signs, along with Jupiter ruled sign, that is Sagittarius and Pisces, for the impact, and expect some renewal or restoration in these areas. Start with Aries. For Aries, Jupiter in Punarvasu gives some new learnings, new ideas, and connections flow easily now. This is the time to rekindle your curiosity and reconnect with people who uplift you. Jupiter helps you to speak with clarity and learn with joy. This restores your communication, improves your mindset, and strengthens your sibling bonds, even with friends. This is not the time to jump into some long-term commitments too fast, as opportunities will come in waves. This is the best time to start a writing project, learn something new, or reach out to someone with whom you have lost your connection. Taurus, with this transit, your finances and your self-worth will begin to rise again. This is the time to change your strategy, especially in finances. Jupiter helps you to rebuild your material security and your internal confidence. A lost opportunity might return and reopen doors to abundance that renews your sense of value. This is the time to change things for good. But avoid going too far with your finances. Don't stretch it. Steady planning works better than taking some sudden risk here. You can review your saving plans, clear any debts slowly, and say yes to work that feels aligned with your own values. Gemini. Jupiter brings personal healing and a fresh sense of identity. You come back to your own self, more grounded, wise, and calm this time. Jupiter restores your faith in your journey with renewed self belief, your charm, and personal clarity of purpose. Best time to rest is scattering your energy and focus on one personal goal at a time. You can use this time to refresh your personal space, your home. Begin a gentle wellness routine and speak your truth. Cancer. Expect inner peace with return of your spiritual strength. You are healing quietly from your past emotional burdens. Jupiter brings clarity with improved vision, your long term future plans, protection through rest and reflection. It strengthens your intuition and restores emotional balance. This is not the time to let any old emotional baggage derail your current progress. As any closure takes time, be patient. Now you can focus on your dreams, spend some quiet time in nature, and listen to what your inner voice is saying. Leo, with Jupiter in Punarvasu, your friendships and your future plans start to take shape again. You can reconnect with powerful but kind people this time and feel inspired about what's next in your life. Jupiter helps you to foresee and build your long term dreams, expand your social world, and restore hope in your future. No need to rush for any group projects as the collaborations will settle naturally now. Good time to attend a social event, your network with openness, or restart an old project or goal with others' support here. Virgo, expect career clarity and gradual success in your work. What felt stuck or uncertain in your work begins to make sense now. Jupiter brings success through steady efforts. Just strengthen your confidence here and give purpose to all your efforts. This is not the time to rush career moves. Success can come gradually, not overnight. What works for you is your quiet leadership, confidence. This is the best time to rebuild your routine. Seek your mentorship or initiate a long overdue project now. Libra, expect new improved perspectives with freedom and faith. Jupiter inspires you to explore physically, mentally, and spiritually. You are hungry to grow beyond the familiar. This is the time to open up to any travel, study, or new conversation that expands your beliefs. Go step by step for better results during this period and don't overload your schedule. This is the best time to sign up for a course, travel somewhere meaningful, or study something philosophical or even cultural. Scorpio, Jupiter in Punarvasu brings deep healing, trust, and major transformation. You may regain power where you once felt weak, emotionally or financially. Jupiter offers protection and release, eases your burden, heals your pain, and improves your family finances. But be careful of any hasty investments. Any financial or emotional returns need patience here. This is the time to have honest conversation, feel energetic, and work on financial debts. And let go of what is draining you. Sagittarius, with Jupiter in Punarvasu, your relationships get steadier and more fulfilling now. Jupiter helps you to reconnect with people who matters to you now. It also improves your ability to trust and be trusted in return. heals your partnerships, improves your collaborations, and renews emotional bonds. This is not the time to push relationship for answers, but let them unfold naturally. Now is the time to communicate with grace. Give second chances wherever it is needed and be clear with your boundaries. Capricorn, Jupiter in your sixth house brings balance in your health, in your work routine, your daily routine, and overall well being. You are learning to care for yourself with some greater gentleness. Jupiter supports healthy rhythm and thoughtful services. It brings healing to your mind, body, and soul, solves all your work challenges. This is not the time to overwork, as small and consistent health habits matter more. Now you can simplify your schedule, create a better health habits, and learn to rest without any guilt. Aquarius, with Jupiter in Punarvasu, your joy, your creativity, and confident expression returns. Jupiter wants you to lighten up, play more, or do what brings you joy without any pressure. This is the time to awaken your love life, your curiosity, and your childlike wonders. Also, you cannot expect instant creative successes. For now, you can refine and revisit your old ideas. This is a good time to revive old creative projects, even, and spend some time with children or give yourself some pleasant, joyful time. Pisces, your home and your emotional roots can be restored with Jupiter in Punarvasu. You may improve your living or resolve old family tensions. Jupiter brings peace within and around you, heals your family matters, strengthens your inner security, and invites stability in life. This is not the time to take any hasty property or vehicle or any family decisions, as clarity will grow step by step and gradually. You can organize meanwhile your home, clean your place, cook some nourishing food, and reconnect with your past in a gentle manner. That was all about individual impact for all the signs. And to summarize, Jupiter in Punarvasu encourages to rediscover our strength, our confidence, whether it is mending a relationship, reviving a dream, or finding peace in life's simple blessings. This transit reminds us that no setback is final. Jupiter helps us to refill our faith here, restores our resources, and step forward with conviction, confidence. Do remember, Jupiter is not about winning the race here, but about finding the road back to the light again and again. Each small step here, each mindful pause builds the foundation for lasting joy. With Punarvasu, the patience is not about waiting, it's growing quietly in peace. That was all about Jupiter's transit through Punarvasu. I hope this was helpful. Best wishes to everyone. Thank you for your time. Do share your feedback and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.